Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How, the place where game dev becomes fun and simple. Today, we're diving into Scratch, one of the easiest and most fun ways to start making games, even if you've never coded before. This is your step-by-step guide to getting started with game development in Scratch 2025 edition. So grab a snack, open your browser, and let's make your first game together. So, what is Scratch? Scratch is a block-based visual programming language made by MIT, designed for beginners. You simply drag and drop code blocks to create animations, stories, and games. Best part? It's free, works in your browser, and is perfect for kids, students, and even adults who want to start learning game logic without typing a single line of code. Let's head over to scratchmit.edu. Click on Join Scratch in the top right. Fill in your username, password, and email to create your free account. Having an account lets you save your projects, share games online, and come back to them later. Once you're logged in, click on Create at the top. This opens the Scratch editor, where all the magic happens. You'll see a cute cat, that's your first character, called a sprite. On the right is your stage, and on the left are all the code blocks. Now let's build a super simple game. Let's make a quick catch the apple game. Delete the cat, right-click on the cat sprite, click Delete. Add a new sprite, click the blue cat icon, choose a basket. Add an apple sprite, click again, search for apple. Now let's code movement for the basket. Select Event tab, and drag when green flag click to the code editor. Next select Control tab, and place Forever Loop to the code editor, connect it with previous block. Drag If Then block inside Forever block. Now select Sensing tab, and drag key press Condition to If Then block. Select left arrow key from the scroll list. From Motion tab, drag Change X by block to the If condition body. The code process is just like that. Drag visual code block to code editor and change those values. Very easy to understand and more visualize than normal coding. This is great tool to play with your kids while teaching them how to code. Okay, let's test a basket movement. Press green flag to play. Use left and right arrow to move. The code worked. Perfect. Now let's code the apple falling. Select the apple sprite. Coding for falling as follows. Okay, let's test. Move basket to catch apple falling. The collision working well. We will remove the basket hanger later using built-in paint tool. To do that, select basket, then click on cat icon, select brush to edit sprite. Use eraser to remove hanger. Perfect. We are ready to save and share the project. To save your work, name your project at the top. Then click File, Save Now. You can even share your game online by clicking Share so others can play it. After saving, you can come back to project and edit source code, and save again. You've now taken your first step into game development with Scratch, but this is just the beginning. Try adding sound effects, score counters, or even multiple apples falling at once. I'll be making more beginner-friendly Scratch tutorials soon, so make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below with your game ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, every pro is once a beginner, just like you. See you in the next one.